Meet Fitn Focus, the world's first AI recording notebook that starts with how you think. You write by hand. It keeps you in the moment. In a meeting, your mind moves faster than your pen. You capture the idea, but miss the why, the numbers, the next step. And then it keeps coming. More voices, more details, more threads, until you're overloaded. This time, the flow stays unbroken. Open, record, pen in hand, and the thinking keeps moving. Meanwhile, Fitn captures the whole room, clear from every angle. After the meeting, one tap and it's all saved. Sync to your phone instantly. Then AI takes over, turning messy meetings into something you can use. It turns hours into a clean transcript, fast. Export your notes, any format you like. Breaks the conversation into chapters you can skim. Pulls out the key moments you'd normally miss. Find it anywhere, same word, any file. Fitn Focus uses reliable AI models to ensure high-quality transcription of voice and handwritten records. Wherever you think, it fits right in. Always ready when the conversation happens. Fitn Focus, a better way to meet, a clearer way to think.